Welcome, welcome to the party. A little bit late to the pre-market show, but came down here at noon and the Asia session popped up, double topped, or double bottomed here off the volume imbalance on London, and we're resting above the London lows. In the middle, negative 2K and sell side with no follow through, resting above the volume point of control for the session. I sprained my ankle and it hurts pretty bad today. Yesterday we were talking about the 8-8 point of control. If it breaks, the next stop is the 730 volume point of control, and sure enough, it moved pretty quick down to there after we went offline. So that was how key levels work, because there's nothing in here of interest. So it just drifted, bounced off that, now went down to the 25th of July, and now we are down below the 21st and 24th volume point of control from July. We got the monthly open down at 23,309 as a next stop if these volume points of control fail. Probably a bearish retest to some of these and then a continuation lower as we get acceptance to the shorts. On that note, I'm going to grab some iced coffee and I will be right back. What's up, ladies and gents? Are there any ladies here? All right, be right back.
Absorption ESU 5 CME sellers at 6,426.75.
Oh, that's freaking hurts. All right. Let's use this frozen ice bottle on my foot. Hopefully the swelling goes down. I hope it's not broken. That would suck. All right. How's everyone doing out there today? Shout out to the two that are
Sweep
tuning
ESU
in.
5 CME sellers at 6,425.5. Absorption ESU 5 CME buyers at 6,425.5.
Okay. Breaking the volume point of control here. We got 15 minutes plus. What's up to the third viewer? Grab some coffee, chill out for a bit. Let's turn on some music. How about this one? Let's do trance today. We got 1,189 contract buyer down at 64.13. On ES. What's up, woke corn dog? Back at the July 31st and August 6th point control. Got FOMC minutes later today. So it could be let's hold the line until then and then some fireworks. Interesting how he bounced right off that 21st and 24th volume point of control. Boing. So far looking like this. But you're getting some sell side triggered here, 268 in sell side. We're going to see some pre-market jitters as positions close leading into the open. Doing good. Still tired. This is the last week of the schedule from hell. And I sprained my ankle carrying some bags out of the trunk of my car, stepping down from a curb, and there was like a water ditch curve to the bottom of the curve, and I landed wrong and twisted my ankle. That was a lovely start to the morning. So yeah, that is still ongoing. We'll see. There's a 900, that 1200 lot moved up to 40, 64, 21, 25, 940 lot. They moved it up. They're trying to see if the interest will be generated to grab it. We're getting the push up. Oh yeah, super swollen. It's like 3 times bigger than my other foot. My wife says it's broken, but I'm hoping it's just swollen, but just gonna lay off it, literally. I'll take my health card to work tomorrow and then try to leave early if it's having issues still tomorrow. Show must go on. I have 2 more of those lessons to do. Yeah, I'm stubborn. Like when I broke 2 ribs, I didn't go to the hospital for like 2 weeks. And finally I caved and went in there, and the doctor was like, they're broken. Not even like a crack, just broken. And I didn't go for 2 weeks. So I can handle the pain. It's the annoyance of not being able to walk. Ish. I guess TO is muted for the day. What's up, TO? You chillin'? Okay, this could be one of those clean inflection point pre-market things. If it drops below this inflection point, you could see a sweep to that resting order on ES at 64.21. There we go. 5 minutes until the open. What's up to the fourth viewer? You're a boss. Three minutes and some change. And 2 minutes. Ooh. A pre-market FU candle. VWAP and volume point and control bounce. That 900 player disappeared. Okay. 1 minute. $30. Shout out to the 6 of you lovely souls coming on in. Stay around and stick around for a while and see what's up. 15 seconds. Does this inflection point of sellers continue to be punished here, or is the volume pointing control and VWAP going to fail? Here we go. 5 seconds. Watch your trades. We're off to see the wizard.
Absorption ESU 5 CME sellers at 64.29. Sweep and QU 5 CME buyers at 23,424.
Just had some sellers enter, changing the volume pointing control here. So far rewarding them. It's kind of getting lag on a toss. Bookmaps holding strong. Sellers in control thus far. Inflection points holding. VWAP breaking. Sweep of the London lows, perhaps. Let's see if the 900 player's around. Nope, he's gone. Lovely. So sweeping the first London low, second one at 370. Value area low at 381. Hitting only 200 in sell side with that pullback. So still could go lower. Didn't stop out that many. There's a volume imbalance just around the VWAP retest zone. Didn't even make it there. Too heavy. This is a nice, smooth, short, smooth sailing down to the London low. I'd take a partial here. Stop at break even. We hit some resting orders. On ES. Still going. It's got legs. Came to the second low. Swept to 62. Do we go all the way to Asia low? Let's go see. The momentum. The Momo. We were saying that a downside play was looking more likely than not. Did a FU candle pre-market.
Absorption ESU 5 CME sellers at 6,419.5. Sweep ESU 5 CME buyers at 6,419.75.
The monthly open is the only key level down in this region, down at 308. Technically, we had a previous swing low around here from, yeah, this one. So, whoops, from the 8th of August. So we came just shy of that low yesterday or today, so we could sweep down to that. So far having a reaction massive 275 in buy side taken, killing the late shorters. Another example of a FU candle. 275 buy side taken and coming right back as if it didn't happen. Buyer absorption, perhaps? Go and hit that like if you haven't for me already. That would be super keen. Coming back into value area low. Let's go zoom in and see what the delta looks like. A bunch on both sides, absorbing the hit to the downside. $350 has some resting orders, so it could go grab those guys. Short is the play for now. We got the acceptance of those sellers pre-market, so I don't see any reason to long this. There's no key level we're at. Nothing. Nada. So previous swing low, breaking the Asia lows would be nice. Let's go test something out, theory if you will. Ooh, that's juicy looking. Oh wow. So we came to a deviation level. The next one manipulate up, continue down. Okay. Going sideways right here. Not seeing any significant players either way. Inducing both sides and just staying here, but rejecting the comma. And now you're getting another aggressive player here. But does it pull away from these bottom sellers? This will be a clue. We just got a buyer, so this guy could be absorbed and go a little lower. Sweep that 350. It's resting order at 350. Coming up. Here we go. Here we go. Or not. Ooh, nice heaviness. All right. So there's people that are looking at a fair value gap here that's getting inverted. So coming to that 350 resting order swept just now. And the heaviness continues. Unequivocally and undeniably.
Sweep and QU5 CME sellers at 23,340. Absorption and QU5 CME buyers at 23,340.
We just hit 166 in sell side. I'd take a partial here at 340. It's more than you expected. We are back at the Asia lows. Previous swing low at 329. Okay. Heavy, heavy. Heavy, bro. What's up, Dave? I'm chilling. I'm streaming too. Oh. I sprained my ankle, so my foot is freaking swollen 3 times bigger than my other foot. Yeah. Jackson's Hole? What is that? We just hit 166 in sell side down at 339. I was saying watch out for your shorts, take partials here, and then it bounced. But we're getting some continuation, just a few. Looks like it could sweep the Asia lows. We only have like there's no reason to long. There was no key level at all. So I was just like looking at shorts. But yeah, we got a previous swing low at 329.50, the monthly open at 309. Those are the only things around here. Looks like we're going down to the previous swing low. Local low. Sweeparoos. And swept. Jackson Hole. That sounds like a really inappropriate place to go. Let's go to Jackson's Hole.
Absorption ESU 5 CME buyers at 64.15.
Yeah, it's just been creating this descending channel. As long as you short the top of the channel, you're good.
Sweep ESU 5 CME sellers at 6,414.25.
Just hit a monthly open level. Which month? August, okay. It's kind of where... Nope. Next of the key levels below that is 262 and 254. It's just heavy. Rejection to the downside. Trending is the way to be when you're on the right side of it. $4K and sell side hit for the day thus far. Looks like another sell-off day, leading into FOMC minutes for the PM at Jackson's Hole.
Absorption ESU 5 CME buyers at 64.10. Absorption ESU 5 CME buyers at 64.09.
The 266. Yeah, the 262-ish region seems like it would be a reaction. Any of these volume points are controlled from... This is August 4th.
Absorption ESU 5 CME buyers at 64.10.
London's
Sweep ESU
manipulation
5
play.
CME sellers at 6,409.75.
We don't really have any news until the PM, so it'll... It's like Wallen or something. while they're there. Getting a little bit of seller fatigue on the bid-ask ratio, but this could be a buyer absorption trap. I wouldn't buy this region. Yeah, we're in falling knife territory here. Nice. Yeah, the 80s are psychological levels.
Absorption ESU 5 CME buyers at 6408.
Some
Sweep
acceleration
ESU 5
down to
CME
the
sellers at
260s.
6,406.75. Absorption ESU 5 CME buyers at 6406.
Nice.
Absorption ESU 5 CME buyers at 6,405.25. Absorption ESU 5 CME buyers at 6,404.5. Absorption ESU 5 CME buyers at
There's a
6,404.5.
freshly opened short guy trying to short the bottom, perhaps at 248. 672 lot. If it comes back above that, well, still heavy.
Absorption
Ooh,
ESU
wow.
5 CME buyers at
Beautiful.
6401. Sweep ESU 5 CME sellers at 6,400.
Good job. Reach for the sky.
Sweep ESU 5 CME
We're at
buyers
a
at
previous month
6,400.
mid-level now. We broke through all those point controls. This is pretty heavy. Yeah. Amazing sell-off, yeah.
Sweep NQU 5 CME sellers at 23,199. Sweep ESU 5 CME buyers at 6,396.75.
Wow, hitting more sell side, 300 lot.
Sweep ESU 5
Oh, wow.
CME sellers at 6,395. Sweep and QU5CME sellers at 23,199.75.
Just slammed
Absorption
through 200.
ESU5CME buyers at 63.91. Absorption ESU5CME buyers at 63.93. Sweep and QU5CME sellers at 23,179. Sweep and QU5CME buyers at 23,177.25. Absorption ESU5CME buyers at 6,388.75. Absorption ESU5CME sellers at 63.91. Sweep and QU5CME buyers at 23,176.75.
That's good. Congratulations. They have like a thing going for that Top Step platform where like -25 you can get 25 off indefinitely if you want.
Sweep ESU5CME sellers at 63.92. Absorption ESU5CME buyers at 63.92.
No, they discontinued everything.
Absorption ESU5CME buyers at 63.87. Sweep ESU5CME sellers at 6,386.25.
Oh yeah, this is like nice, this is what you like to see, like straight up one directional. So there was a huge amount of buyers that bought at 176 just before we went up to 202 and then dropped down some more to 145 or 48. So if we come above this 176.75 level, the buyers might be passively making a play here. There's 258 lot, a 98 lot, and a 130 lot at that 176 level. It's kind of a inflection point, if you will. Buyers possibly.
Sweep and QU5CME sellers at 23,197. Absorption ESU5CME buyers at 6,390.5.
Yeah, because you have the whole peace talk on the horizon too, if that actually goes through.
Absorption ESU 5 CME buyers at 63.85.
Yeah. Not at all, no. The plebes are not part of the equation.
Sweep and QU 5 CME sellers at 23,170. Absorption and QU 5 CME buyers at 23,170.
Some sellers entered. Some sellers entered and are starting
Absorption
to get punished,
ESU 5
perhaps.
CME buyers at 63.92. Sweep and QU 5 CME buyers at 23,197.
Wow, you had a 700 buyer at 197. It's lagging my toss now. What?
Absorption ESU 5 CME buyers at 63.93. Sweep ESU 5 CME sellers at 63.93.
Give me a sec. All right. Yeah, it's the inflation of, the houses are basically life preservers to the economy. Yeah. Like my mom bought our house in DC in the 80s, and it was like similar, like 70 or 80K, and now it's like over $1 million because of the location near, like 10 minutes from the Pentagon and stuff. So that 700 lot at 197 became the new volume point of control down here. Somebody's gung-ho about these 200s. You basically had a bunch of bottom buyers that I highlighted for you at that 176. We came above it, and it was off to the races. Camptown Races, sing that song. And we went up, but Could just be a dead cat bounce as they go test the sell side some more. Yep, because they do inducement to both sides and
Sweep ESU 5 CME buyers at 6,389.5. Absorption ESU 5 CME sellers at 6,389.5.
that's cool. Yeah, it's pretty much, that was as clean as you can ask for off the open. And if you haven't caught anything yet, then there's always tomorrow or PM, the news. I'll just chill with you guys till the 15-minute candle close too. I'm good for the day. Yeah. AJ, it's not required, but like there's a lot of like emptiness in moves. So when you see big players step up, it can telegraph, you know, interest and give an objective viewpoint
CME buyers
sometimes.
at 63.81.
So it's like not my opinion. You're just like, okay, there's a 700 guy joining the party and he just got hit, and it's like, it's not my opinion. You know? Bro. Was it your actual PP or was it like a clip art of it? I mean, wait, they won't let you or something?
Absorption ESU 5 CME buyers at 6,378.25. Sweep ESU 5 CME sellers at 6,378.5.
That's funny. Hey, whatever gets the job done.
Sweep and QU5 CME buyers at 23,105.25.
Yeah, that's crazy. That was a crazy downturn. Footloose. It's just the base hits. That's all you need. And just like you look back and you're like, whoa, where am I? You know, base hits. Frugal. Don't aim for the stars. Just hit base hits. You get the bases loaded.
Sweep ESU5 CME sellers at 63.80. Absorption ESU5
Yeah, there's definitely
CME
like
buyers at
sector
63.80.
switches where they, you know, have hands off. It's on a certain sector and have a holding pattern for it. Then they all trade gold or
I'm tired, but I'm wide awake. In darkness, I can see your face. When you're with me, there's no pain. No vision, and you're gone again. And I don't know where you've gone, and you never told me what was wrong. And I know life will carry on, but I forget how to be strong when the sun goes down. When the sun goes down.
yeah, everything's what do we got? Oh, we got the 900 lot player from ES down at 6304, like from the pre-market. They're just parked there. There's a 600 lot player down at 6370.
Never told me what was wrong, and I know life
Next volume point control for July 3rd at 2364. Otherwise, nothing around here. Minute closes in 20 seconds. All right. Yep. Likewise, I gotta elevate my foot. So have a good one, man. Yep, indeed. They do. Alright guys, stay positive, stay frugal, stay blessed, and we'll see you tomorrow.